Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept an integer n and n string values as input. Each string have digits embedded with an alphabet. So our task is to concatenate the digits and sort the numbers which are formed using some conditions. Now the sorting is based on the numbers must be sorted based on the embedded alphabet. If two or more numbers have same alphabet, then we must sort the integer in ascending order. Finally, the program must print the numbers as the output. The program must accept an integer n and n string values. Each strings have digits embedded with an alphabet. Our task is to concatenate the digits and sort the numbers which are formed using some conditions. The sorting condition is numbers must be sorted based on the embedded alphabet. If two or more numbers have same alphabet, we must sort it in ascending order. Finally, the program must print the numbers. So let us consider for our test case for better understanding. So this is our test case. Here n is equal to 4 and here we are having 4 string values. So first let us concatenate the integers in each string. So 984 and alphabet is B, and in the second string the integer is 14 and alphabet is B. In the third string the integer is 200 and the alphabet is C, and in the last string 662 and alphabet A. So you have to print it in alphabetical order. Integer must be present in ascending order. So first A, so 662 will be printed first. Next B, so there are two B. So first we will print 14 because it is less than 984. So 14, 984, and at last C, 200. So this will be printed as our output. Now let us consider for our next test case. So in this test case n is equal to 5 and we are having 5 strings here. So now let us concatenate the integers 122 and the alphabet E, 98 and E, 354 and E, 25 E, 891 and E. Here we can see that all the integers are containing the alphabet E, so we have to print the integers in ascending order only. So first 25 will be printed, 25, 98, 122, 354 and 891. This pattern will be printed as our output. Now let us implement our logic using Python programming language. First let us get the input integer n from the user. Next, let us get the string values. So strval, which is equal to input dot split. Next, let us declare an empty list called num alpha for storing the values. So num alpha, which is equal to an empty list. So let us iterate over the for loop and append the values to the list num alpha. So for val in strval, num alpha dot append. So we will just append the values to num alpha. So num alpha dot append of separate of val. Here separate is a function which will be declared later. It separates first the integer value followed by alphabet. So this will append the values to the num alpha. So after appending the values num alpha, we have to sort the values in num alpha. So num alpha equal to sorted of num alpha comma key is equal to lambda x is to x of, we are sorting based on the alphabet. So this is our sorting condition which works according to our logic. So x of 1 comma x of 0. So after sorting the values in the list called num alpha, finally we will be printing the integers. So for val in num alpha, let us print the val of 0, which is nothing but the integers, comma end is equal to and space. Now let us define our function separate. So def separate, which accepts an argument as string. So yes, here let us declare an empty string. So num equal to alpha equal to an empty. For character in yes, if character is digit means we will append it to the num. So sorry, we will add it to the num. So num plus equal to ch, else we will add it to the character. So alpha plus equal to ch. Finally we will return the int of num and alpha. So this is our function separate yes. It separates first integer followed by alphabet, and we are sorting, and finally we are printing the integers according to our condition. So this will be our required code.